morning class. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is algebraic expressions. In this chapter we will see first what are algebraic expression, then we will discuss how many types of algebraic expressions are there, and then we will solve questions of exercise first. So let us move towards our video. Yes class, so we are going to start new chapter from today, that is chapter 13, algebraic expressions. Before starting the chapter and solving the exercise first we will understand what is algebraic expression. The term algebraic comes from the term algebra. It comes from the term algebra. It is a branch of mathematics in which we deals with different types of numbers, that includes with the variables, constant, and expressions mean which contain variables together with constants. So we have two terms. In algebra we have two types of terms. One is variables and another is constants. So what is variables? Variables are the alphabets, a symbol which takes different value in different quotients. For example, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, P, Q, R, etc. When they are uses in different types of quotient, the value of X, Y, Z or A, B, C or P, Q, R comes different, means in particular quotient the value of X will become 2, in another quotient it will become 7. So there is no specific value of these alphabets. Their value changes from quotient to quotient. Their value varies from quotient to quotient. That is why they are called variables or literal. They are called variables or literal. So all the alphabets, when they come in a quotient, in a particular equation or expression, their value varies and it is different on different quotient. That is why they are called variables or literal. So literal are what? Literal are X, Y, Z, A, B, C, means alphabets. The alphabets are called literal or variables. While constant are the numbers. Every number is a constant. From 1, 2, 3 to so on. Numbers are infinity. There are no there are no limit of number. 0, fraction number, -5/9, integers, negative integers, -3, -8, anything, means any number, either they are they are integers or they are this is 0 or whole number or a fraction or a rational number. Every number is a constant. And what is the property of constant? Their value is fixed. Constant means their value is fixed. If -8 comes in a particular quotient, it means it is -8. Okay, if it comes in another quotient, it means it is -8. Its value does not changes from quotient to quotient. The value of constant is fixed. So all the numbers are called constant and their value is fixed. But in variables or literal, they are alphabets whose value varies from quotient to quotient. Now the next what we are going to discuss here is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables. It is a combination of constant with variable connected by operation plus or minus or multiplication or division. So if any expression contains number with variables together with any one of them, or any two or any three or all of them operation, then such expression is called algebraic expression. So algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables connected by operation either plus, minus, multiplication or division, or all of them. For example, 2x plus 7y minus 8x multiplied by y divided by 3, suppose, it is called a algebraic expression. Or simple 4x, it is also an algebraic expression. 2x square plus 3x minus y, it is also a algebraic expression. So an algebraic expression contains constant, variables together with any one, any two or all of the operation plus, minus, multiplication or division. Means if I write simple 4 upon 3x, it is also a algebraic expression. If I write x upon 7, it is also a kind of algebraic expression. Then we discuss terms of algebraic expression. Terms of algebraic expressions. Terms of algebraic expression means, terms means part. Terms means part of algebraic expression. Okay, consider whatever I have given example here. Here how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here are 3 parts of this algebraic expression. Here only one part is in this algebraic expression. Here 1, 2, 3 parts are there in algebraic expression. In this only one part is there and only one part is there. So terms, they are called terms of algebraic expression. They are called terms of algebraic expression. So terms of algebraic expression means part of the algebraic expression that is separated by any one of the algebraic operation, mathematical operation such as plus, minus, multiplication or division. So several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign are called terms of algebraic expressions. Okay, for example, if I give you example of a square minus 3ab plus 4b. Okay, so how many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. Plus and minus sign. The parts of algebraic expression that are comes before and after plus and minus sign are called terms of algebraic expression. So in this particular algebraic expression, how many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. Then we will discuss various types of algebraic expression. Now we will discuss types of algebraic expression. There are such type of algebraic expression: monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. It is L is missing here, and multinomial. So monomial, binomial. Monomial means an algebraic expression that have only one term. An algebraic expression which has only one term is called monomial. For example, 4x is an algebraic expression. 3xy is an algebraic expression, is a monomial. Okay, next if I give example of 4ab square, this is also a monomial. Okay, 4x upon 3, it is also a monomial. Okay, they are all having only one term. There will be no plus and minus sign in them. Binomial, in binomial what will be there? two terms. An algebraic expression which have two terms is called binomial. For example, 4x plus 3xy is a binomial. 4x square minus 5x is a binomial. So all the algebraic expression which have only two terms are called binomial. And with the name of this, you will get a hint. Trinomial means three terms. So an algebraic expression which has three terms is called trinomial. For example, 4x plus 8xy minus 3y is a trinomial. It has how many terms? Three terms. 4ab square minus 3a plus 8b is also a trinomial. Then multinomial. Multinomial means an algebraic expression which has more than one term. An algebraic expression which has more than one term is called multinomial. So in fact, binomial and trinomial are both comes under multinomial because they are having more than one term. Binomial is having two terms and trinomial is having three terms. So algebraic expression which has more than one term is called multinomial. So mononomial is not a multinomial because it is having only one term, but binomial and trinomial comes under multinomial. Now we will discuss factors of a term. Factors of a term means just we have discussed that algebraic expression having one term, two term, three term are called monomial, binomial, trinomial, and multinomial having more than one term. So this term, suppose if I take this term 4ab square, I take a term 4ab square. This is a monomial. Okay, in this term, one is called numerical factor and another is called literal factor. So what is numerical factor? The number, the constant is called numerical factor. So in a term, a constant is there. Which constant? 4. So 4 is called numerical factor of the term. And the literal factor is variables or literals. So how many literals are there? A, B square. So literal factor will be AB square. So factors of a term, there are two factors of a term. One is numerical factor and another is literal factor. Numerical factor is a constant number which comes in a term. Suppose I take an example of x square y. Here which constant is there? Here 1 is there. So its numerical factor will be 1. And what is literal factor here? Literal factor is x square y. So literals or variables are called literal factors and constant are called numerical factor. So in exercise, some question will be given to you and they will ask write the numerical factor and literal factor. So in literal factor you will write the literals, variables or alphabet. In numerical factor you will write numbers or constant. Okay, so constant term is what? Next is we are having a constant term. So constant term is what? If any term of algebraic expression does not contain any variable, does not contain any literal, then that term is called constant term. For example, x square y plus 2xy minus 3. So in this algebraic expression, this contains literals, this contains literals, but this 3 does not contain literal. So this is called the constant term. Minus 3 will be the constant term in this algebraic expression. So constant term is what? In an algebraic expression, the term which does not contain any literals or variables or alphabet is said to be constant term. If I take another example, AB square minus 5AB square minus 4B plus 7. So which is constant term in this algebraic expression? 7 is constant term in this algebraic expression. Now we will discuss coefficient. What is coefficient? To understand coefficient, first we take an example. Suppose take the example of monomial 8AB square. 8AB square. If I write in this particular term, I'm talking about the term. Coefficients are from the term. Suppose it is a algebraic expression. It is a term of an algebraic expression. So in this term, we have numerical coefficient. If somebody is asking what is numerical coefficient of this term, then numerical coefficient will be the constant, will be the number. So numerical coefficient will be 8. If somebody is asking what is the literal coefficient, what is literal coefficient of this term? So variables are called the literal coefficient of this term. If somebody is asking what is coefficient of A, what is coefficient of A? So what you will do? Hide A. Whatever is left is the coefficient of A. So coefficient of A is 8B square. Okay. If somebody is asked what is coefficient of B square, so hide B square. What is left? 8A. So coefficient of B square is 8A. And if somebody is asking what is the coefficient of B only, not B square, so coefficient of B only, hide 1B. So what is left? 8AB. So coefficient are simply the factors that are written together with in any term of the algebraic expression. So if somebody is asking you numerical coefficient, so numerical coefficient is the term is the constant which is written with the literals. Numerical coefficient will be constant 8. If somebody is asking what is literal coefficient, so literal coefficient will be the alphabets, literals or variables AB square. If it is asked what is coefficient of A, hide the A. What is written along with A? Coefficient of A does not come. So hide the A. 8B square is written with A, so coefficient of A is 8B square. Similarly, if somebody is asked what is coefficient of B square, hide B square. What is written with B square is the coefficient of B square, 8A. And coefficient of B will be hide 1B, not all 2B. Hide 1B, so coefficient of B will be 8AB. So coefficient is the companion of something which is asked written with it. Okay. Next we will discuss like terms. Like terms. So what is like terms? Two terms are said to be like. Two terms are said to be like if they have same literal coefficients. If they have same literal coefficient. So two terms are said to be like terms if they have same literal coefficient. For example, 6A square B and 3A square B are called like terms. Why they are called like terms? The number written with them is not same. So that is why I have written the same literal coefficient. Number may be different. Numbers are numerical coefficient. Okay. So if literal coefficient of them means A square B same, then they are called like terms. So they are like term. If it is written 6a square b and 3ab square, are they like terms? No, because here a square b, here ab square, so they are not like term. It is written 8xy and 3xy, they are like term because they are having same literal coefficient. So two terms are said to be like if they have same literal coefficient. Then we will discuss what is polynomial. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression in which variables involved have only non-negative integral power is called polynomial. Polynomial means an algebraic expression in which the power of any term is non-negative number. The number written in the power of any variable should not be negative, should not be a fraction. They should not be there. If any power is whole number, then such algebraic expression is called polynomial. So if I have written 4x square upon y plus 3x plus 5, will it be a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because here y is written in the denominator. So when it comes in numerator, its power will become y ki power minus 1. So if algebraic expression is having positive powers and whole number of power, then it will be called polynomial. Okay. Polynomial in one variable is what? Polynomial in one variable means which is in only one variable. For example, 3x plus 4. Okay. 2x square plus 3x minus 9. They are polynomial in one variable. Here only one variable will be there, only x. And if it is written 3xy plus 4y or 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y, then such polynomial is called polynomial in two variables. Okay, so such polynomial is called polynomial in one variable in which only one variable x is there, and if two types of variables are there, then it is called polynomial in two variables. Now what is degree of polynomial? What is degree of polynomial? The highest power term is called degree of polynomial. Here see, the highest power is 2. So in this polynomial its degree is 2. In this polynomial degree is 1. So in this polynomial degree is 1. In this polynomial degree is, here x having 1 degree, y is having 1 degree, so total degree will be 2. In this polynomial degree is 2. So highest power which comes in a polynomial will called be its degree. Okay. After that, this is the introduction of the chapter algebraic expression, and after that we will solve the exercise which we will solve in the next video. But before ending the video, you need to underline few terms whatever we have discussed in the video. Go through all these things very deeply, understand them, listen the video at least 2-3 times so that you can understand them, and underline in the book to keep these things in your mind. Okay, so what we will go to understand first. Constant. A symbol having fixed numerical value is called constant. You need not to learn them, you need only to keep it in your mind. Okay, so every number is a constant. Variable, a symbol which takes various numerical value is called variable or literal. They are S and P, or any X, Y, Z, they are called variables or literals. Then algebraic expression, a combination of constant variables connected by such operation is called algebraic expression. Then terms of algebraic expression, several parts of algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign are called terms of algebraic expression, and read all these examples. Then types of algebraic expression, monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. You need to go through these definitions. Just have a look of them, understand them. Don't learn them but understand them, because you need to remember all of them while solving the question. Then factors of a term. We are having two factors. Understand it with example. The numerical factor and the literal factor. Okay, so go through the definition and go through the example. Then a constant term which has no literal factor, go through the example. Coefficient, go through the definition and understand this example. Like terms, term having the same literal coefficient are called like terms. They are like, they are unlike, they are like. Go through these examples. Then polynomial, an algebraic expression in which variables have non-negative integral power is called polynomial. Polynomial in one variable, go through the example, and polynomial in two variables, go through the example. So all these things underline in your book and go through them. Read at least 2-3 times. Okay, and go through the video at least 2-3 times, and then we will solve exercise 13A in the next video. Okay, that is all for today. Have a nice day, everyone.